Hey, this is my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna be doing random things right now. Well, right now, we're gonna search around for people. I'm gonna search for her. I think this is her. There's her YouTube channel. Yeah. I'll pause that. I'm gonna add her, I guess. What else?
Right now, I have to follow Rico and see what he's up to. I'll meet you in Summer Forest, okay?
Hey, wait a minute.
How do we get ourselves into these messes, pal?
This is hers all the way down. How many friends? She has 7,9,240 friends, and probably all fans.
Hi, Spyro! Welcome to Glimmer!
Well,
Unfortunately for us, the Mama Blizzard just showed up and started...
while I think of more random things,
Can you stop?
I'll be right back.